Hello, thanks for joining me. My name is Joe. I am basically doing this stream to go over a site that I built. I'm happy and excited about this site. It is kind of what I started with around the Joepro.ai name. I had purchased the domain for Joepro.ai a while back, and uh, I thought it was a good name for myself, and I really like to I don't know, just build under it, under the Joepro AI name here. But basically, I guess I'm just going to be going over my the site that I built. I had not planned to launch it right away. I had planned to, um, go and see if I could um, put in billing and put in like signups and things like that. But it's already out there, so figured I'd just go over, what it was. And yeah, that's basically all that I have in there. But I figured I'd jump online because um, I'm excited about it, and honestly, I feel like I wanted to, talk a little bit about it. Um, so, what we'll do is we will start to show the screen here. All right. So, yep, basically, we come into this. This is where I've decided to host my site. I do this all through Google, the Google Cloud platform, um, and I am hosting on Joepro.ai. It's the domain that I chose a while back. I like the .ai. I found out that that is actually, I think, like in some sort of another country is what the .ai actually is. But yeah, I have a site here. It is for going to be for doing AI things at a reasonable cost. That is my main focus is really just kind of getting uh, people involved with AI. So that's kind of the goal from the beginning, was to start something so that you you or me or anybody could get at least hands on with AI. Um, so I am gonna just, I guess, go over some of the things I have here. Um, and thanks for anyone that is checking this out. Um, Again, my name's Joe. I go by Joe Pro AI online, and my domain that I had purchased here was joepro.ai. I've had it for about over a year, and been building on it, but have not had anything, really to show for it. So I've been building this all through the Google Cloud platforms and doing it all with AI to help me build. So when you come into the site, I was really happy and proud of this background. Um, it follows the mouse around. It's a nice little neural network of things that connect to each other, and you get a nice like neonish colors to go with the JoePro AI theme. It's going to be as best as it can be, is kind of an example of all the things that I do and work with AI. It was all built with AI. I used a windsurf towards the end here to do a lot of the programming and launching to the sites the through the Google Cloud. And So a lot of AI has helped build this. I um, was initially it was being done. I was doing some things in Replit, but that didn't seem to hold up too much. But now I've got Windsurf and everything seems to be getting programmed well through there enough. So my site, it's going to be, geared towards building like an AI, um, uh, provide what services that I can with AI to the people that, want to learn about it, want to use some like image generation, video generation. I'm going to have some chat bots, some, learning stuff. It's going to be basically the things that I do in AI and the things that I can help teach with. I do offer some services on here to do like a consulting workshop or tutoring sessions or anything like that. I do have some knowledge in the field, so I can help anybody get started with working with any of the AI tools. Um, the custom GPT builds, I they are quite intricate GPTs that can do uh, anything from as small as helping out to write to building C SEO agents to things like that. Figure basically you get pay $100. I will work on perfecting a GPT for you or anybody, and then it will be a link that you can go to in ChatGPT to basically work with it. Before I go to the two main things, which are image generation and video generation, there will be a sign up eventually. Um, I have it all set up and configured, but did not have that yet because there's no actual benefits or anything really to signing up. It's just you having your name there. The contact goes to me, and some of this stuff will be later done a little bit more. But some of the two of the big things here for image generation and video generation. I've set up an image generator which uses API calls to get and make images through different services. So if you wanted a something simple, I've been typing in car, you can go through the one of the service providers, or you can go through Luma Labs, which is a Photon, which is a higher model. But the artistic styles has stable diffusion. I have, I believe, it's 22 models in all, but you could select the model that you want to choose, and then generate an image, and it will give you that image. Right now, there's no storing of the images, so downloading them right away is the way to do it. And Basically, yeah, we got an image generator that is able to do multiple different different models, and it is all for free for the foreseeable future. Um, I will charge if anything gets expensive. I am planning to have a wallet for the sign in, but we have the image generation here, and if we go over to video generator, we should be able to generate some videos now. And this takes a little bit longer, so I appreciate whoever is checking the stream out. Um, I did want to kind of go over some of this stuff to anybody that would be interested in going and looking at my site. But I kind of looked, and it seems as though it is not as interesting as I find it. But it is there. It is for people to use. I think it is honestly, um, it's a service that is it's foolish if people are ignoring this and not attempting to see what is available to offer here, offering free high model image and video services, and basically the only catch would be once there would be a larger number of people that would use it, there would have to be a fee probably for the video side of things. But with the pricing and how everything is going about, I don't see that. I'm basically just saying, you can come here if you want to experiment with some video generation, image generation, learn how different models work, learn how they can create, um, you know, videos and images. You got this right here. I mean, that is for a prompt of a car. That is pretty good. And yeah, then the only catch with this is that the videos are not stored in any location that is for you. It's a one website not signed in, so you can go back to the image generator if you want, and then future things is going to be like create an image from here of a I don't know, let's see if we can get a cat driving a car. See what that gives us. But will be to have the image then be created into a video. So not so bad there. And you could go into the Luma side of things where it'll prompt into there. This is all located under the main Joepro.ai. So yeah, boom. What do we got? It's a little backwards. We got some of uh, the speedometer there on the other side, but it's a picture. So that is what Joepro.ai is kind of come about. I have other things that are going to be for plan for this, but if anyone wants to make some free images and videos, they can go ahead and sign into or just come log into over to joepro.ai and you can go about doing that. So far, I've gotten negative responses for having my website, which is odd. I've gotten just a couple people decided to unfollow me for having the website, so I don't know what that's about. So anyway, I have from here joepro.ai. You can see what the gist of some of the things I have going on here are. I'm going to constantly be updating this so that there's going to be new things. I'm going to include the ability to make voice agents or use voice in some way. And it's just going to be an ever evolving, workplace for me, and ability to be able to transfer that AI knowledge and AI, resources to other people. But yeah, you can come here, go images. We'll do some other ones. Let's see. See what I see what a Joe Pro AI looks like in all the different things. So thank you for coming to check it out. It is a building apparently. It is a work in progress, so it is something that I do enjoy, but it is gonna have to be what it is for right now. So what it is, you can come joepro.ai, image generator, video generator, and you could do that for free until it seems like that's not possible anymore. And yeah, I'm very proud of it. It took me a while. One of the things you can see while you're here, if you want to stick around, is basically I do all this stuff through Google Cloud Platform. Let's see if this is still live. Probably not the most secure, but whatever. I'll show you that the traffic right now is not even to the live site, but this is kind of what I was dealing with. I accidentally launched the live version, and now it's gone live, so I might as well leave it at that. But this would be how you change the sites. And basically, this is going to be now the website is going to change to this. All right, let's see if I broke it. But this should have changed to that, I think. Anyway, this is where in Google Cloud you would go about doing the Cloud Run instances. Probably showing a little bit more than I should on this, but it is what the site is on the back end. Kind of a little bit of a Google Cloud infrastructure there. But yep, come here. Let's see, videos. You can change the seconds. I believe 5 and 8 seconds. I'd be surprised if it did a 3-second video. It probably fails. Some of them will fail, but yeah, that is the what I have for a website. So Joepro.ai, you can get image and video, and that's free to anybody that wants to try it out. And eventually it'll all evolve into signups and hopefully some some good AI stuff will come out of this. I think agent building, knowledge base mainly. Like if anyone I'm talking to wants to know a little bit more about AI and things like that, you can go to Joepro.ai. I have plenty of resources there, and then I'm all about kind of pointing people in the right direction. So hopefully a lot of links and a lot of different resources here. So please check it out. Also, I did lose some followers over this, so if you happen to be on there, just feel free to follow Joepro.ai. I would appreciate it. So that is the gist of the stream, and I'll probably be on a little bit later tonight doing something else, but yep. We got Joepro.ai, a website where you can generate free images and videos. Have a good rest of your night.